Igbos wey dey Lagos, e get update I get for now. Better yarnings, better update, correct update I get for una wey dey Lagos. Look, I no dey happy say even to some extent some people come buy because their buildings they been raise the thing down. You understand? But you see, you know say they don't want una, but that's not where I came. That's not what I came to talk about. Not be waiting I want talk. You see, some of una we get properties. You understand? Bonus we be say they never mark am for demolition. You know what I advise you? Carry that your property as collateral for bank. You know what I mean now? I no go come dey break am to pieces. You know what I mean? Use them as collateral. Find a way. Come back east. Go invest. You get something I want to tell you. You know why they tell you this? You see outside people for Abuja, you get something that they do. Don't be saying someone need to get money. They live low life. As you did as an Igbo man, you get sense. No matter the money where you back, live low life. You understand? Go they rent house, they live. You get shop, they pay your shop. Money, send them invest for east, set up a business for that east. You understand? Why they do business here? They live rent, just they live low, live on the low. You understand? Now wait, I want to tell you. But the main issue for this, I make this video now. Those people now will still get property. You never know tomorrow. If they say this guy, in fact, when you will see the building, some people be like saying now just 1 month they packing, I'll be 2 months. Some people, so, you know, busy. They didn't know they funny. Look at the house now, better house. So you where they never touch your house, go collect collateral now from bank. Why time day? I don't know for tomorrow. This is a better update. Collect collateral. Go bank. That's not what I mean. Borrow money now. Understand? Borrow money from bank. Use your house as collateral. Use the thing. Go invest for east for tomorrow. We no need to make. We go come begin the. You know, we go begin the shed tear. They cry. They They make They fall down for ground. They roll for ground. We don't need those things. This thing don't too much. So any of you they hear my voice now, just hurry up now. Go collect collateral. Now for your own good. Now for your own good because of tomorrow. Maybe not tell you say it be like say this side now, and they won't do like this. They won't raise them. They feel come wake up in the morning say na bridge. Fly over the one round on our side. What you go do? You feel fight government. Make una use your head. So now the update I get for now. If you find the video helpful, I beg like, share. If you watch for the first time, follow for more updates. Thank you and good luck.